Hello everyone, welcome to the another video of Cambridge IT College. Today on this video we are going to see awesome 6 Windows shortcut you need to know as a computer user. So without wasting the time, let's begin. The first shortcut is renaming the any file or folder. Here you see that I have one folder. If you want to rename it, just click on F2. You will get the rename option. Just change the file name. The second shortcut is, imagine that you have a multiple file and you have to copy the random file to the another drive from that folder. Then it is the lengthy process to copy it one by one. So let's see how can we make the random selection. Let me open this folder. Here you see that I have many files. I just want to select the 2, 8 and 9 files. Then hold the Ctrl button and click those files. And just copy it. This is the way for selecting the random file. Another Windows shortcut is permanently delete. If I delete this file, then it will go to the recycle bin. From the recycle bin, you have to delete it again. So if you want to delete it directly without going to the recycle bin, then you can select the file and hit the Shift plus Delete button. It will ask you for the confirmation, just hit the enter. Imagine that you have opened the multiple program and you have to minimize all those programs at once. Then you can do the Windows plus M option. Let me show you. Here you see that I have opened the multiple files, and if I want to minimize this all at once, then I can press Windows plus M button. The next shortcut is, imagine that you have working on some project. For a certain period of time, you need to work into the another project and you don't want to close the currently running project, then what can you do? Let me show you that. Here you see that I have opened the multiple program. I don't want to close this program, then I can create the new virtual desktop. For that, press the Ctrl, Windows and D button. Here you see that the new virtual desktop has been created. If you want to switch between the desktop, then you can hit the Windows plus Tab button. Here you can see that this is our new virtual desktop and this is our old virtual desktop. In this way you can work in a different project by creating the different virtual desktop. Another Windows shortcut is opening the setting. For that, press the Windows plus I button. One bonus shortcut for you. I think all of you love it. Imagine that you are writing something and you want to keep emoji on that writing. Then what can you do in the desktop? For that, let me open the notepad. I just want to insert the laughing emoji in here. For that, what can I do? Windows plus greater than or full stop button, you can press it. You will get this option and just click on what emoji you want to insert. I will insert the laughing emoji. This is the way of inserting the emoji in the any text. If you want any other video dedicated on the certain topic, then mention the topic into the comment section. We will try to make the video on that topic. Thank you for watching it.